First, select a standard business card size from here. Then, double-click on the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle that automatically fits the page. Use the Shape tool to round the corners of the rectangle. Now, draw another rectangle with the Rectangle tool. Set its width to 10 mm. Select this new rectangle along with the main page rectangle and press L to align it to the center left. Make a mirrored copy of this rectangle to the right side. Set the width of the copied rectangle to 5 mm. Select both rectangles and create another mirrored copy to the right side. Now, increase the size of this new rectangle as shown. Double-click on this rectangle to enter rotation mode. Hold the Ctrl key and click to rotate it in 15-degree increments to the desired angle. Apply a color to this rotated shape. Use the eyedropper tool to pick this color and fill the other side rectangles with it. Then, move this rotated shape upwards. Select the freehand tool and draw a straight line from this note shape to the other note shape. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill the area between the line and the shapes with color. Select the guideline you drew and delete it. Use the Transparency tool to apply a transparency effect to the filled area. Now, draw a rectangle here. We need to multiply its width by 3. To do this accurately, open the calculator. Type the current width value and multiply it by 3. Take the result, copy the rectangle, and paste it. Place the copied rectangle on the left side and create 2 more copies so you have 3 in total. For all these rectangles, subtract 3 mm from a total width of 29.6 mm and adjust their sizes accordingly. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill the spaces created by these rectangles. Change the fill color to sky blue. Add your business text information in this area. Finally, apply a drop shadow effect to the relevant elements to add depth. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.